Hey everyone, this is Derek, Baker 6 Clan. I am down here at Colonial Park and I am meeting up with Brush Boy and Brush Girl. So now I found Brush Boy and Brush Girl. How are y'all doing today?
Great, and
great.
welcome to Colonial Lake.
Yes, thank you.
It's a beautiful place.
It is an absolutely beautiful place. So tell me a little bit about what we're going to do today.
Today we're going to walk you through our caches that we have placed here in Colonial Lakes. This area is so unique with the biking, hiking, gardens. I mean, it's just the perfect spot for hiding caches.
This is the result of a $4 million renovation that was finished in 2016 by the city of Charleston. The two caches we're looking at today was placed here primarily to get you here to the lake.
They may not be our most creative caches, but this is definitely a beautiful spot, and that's why we, wanted to show this off to our caching friends.
All right, so I'm told it's just kind of right over in here. All right, I'm gonna go look for it and see what I can find. All right, so it's a real quick key holder. You know what's great about this cache is that, even though it may not be creative, it's bringing us to a great location, and it's kind of an easier cache for those that are just starting to get into geocaching that will keep them coming back for more. All right, so I'm gonna assign this log, and then we're gonna go and try and find the next one. Tell me a little bit why you like hiding this cache.
These two caches are very easy to find. They're in an area that has lots of parking.
Free parking, that is.
Free parking.
Yeah, free parking in downtown Charleston is always great.
It's a rarity.
And they get found by beginner cachers frequently. It's not uncommon to find someone who has 2 or 3 or even 1 cache finding these two caches.
Which is very encouraging to the caching community. We like to encourage more people to join our sport. And one of the nice things about this area, it's very highly a traffic area, and our caches never get muggled here, which is always a big plus.
Yeah, because that's a big problem with caches, is that they get muggled quite a bit. All right, so now we're at the second geocache. Now, Brush Boy, tell me a little bit about this one.
Well, this is the second cache that we placed here. Basically, it's at this end of the lake because you have to have a 10th mile separation, and this is where we ended up.
As you can tell, Charleston right now, there's a ton of construction, so if you hear the pounding in the background, they're working on some new stuff here. So, all right, I'm gonna go try and find this geocache. All right, so it's in around here somewhere. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, let's see. Come on. All right. See, usually, a lot of times you'll find geocaches on the ground, but I have a feeling this one isn't. And there it is. Nice little bison tube. All right, let's sign this one. 2 great hides down here at Colonial Lake. I just want to thank Brush Boy and Brush Girl for putting these out and maintaining these. These are awesome beginner caches that I absolutely love. Great location, and I just thank you guys so much.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming down and checking these out.
All right.
Please come to Colonial Lakes. It's beautiful.
Yes, it is. All right, now, if you haven't subscribed yet, click that button right over here and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you're thinking of this cache, this area. This is absolutely beautiful. And if you haven't visited Charleston, come down to Charleston and visit. We'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.